In this problem, z is jointly proportional to x squared and y squared. If z is equal to 304 when x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 6, find z when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 7. Round off your answer to the nearest hundredth. So the variation problems are really the most straightforward. The formulas are on your formula sheet, and it tells you exactly which formula to use. So this one is jointly proportional. And this is just the generic formula. That would be z equals k is your constant of variation. X, y, that's what it looks like on your formula sheet. In this case, though, for this problem, it says z is jointly proportional to x squared and y squared. So this is what we're going to do, and our first step is to find the k value. We're going to plug in our numbers. In place of z, I'm going to put 304, keep the k. In place of x, I'm going to put 7, so that's 7 squared. In place of the y, I'm going to put 6, so that's 6 squared. So we have 304 equals k times 49 times 36. I'm going to grab my calculator. So we have 304 equals k. That was a really bad k. Try that again. K, and then 49 times 36 is 1,764. So I'm going to solve for k by dividing both sides by 1,764. So k is equal to 304 over 1,764. And I don't like to round, so I'm going to keep the k value at that. So I transferred over information from the other page. I went ahead and I transferred over my k value. I transferred over the formula specific to this problem, and then the new values for x and y that they gave me. And now I'm going to write a new formula for this particular problem. It's going to be z equals, and in place of the k, I'm going to go ahead and put in 304 over 1,764, x squared, y squared. Now I'm going to plug in those two values for x and for y. Z equals 304 over 1,764 times, and replace the x with 6 squared, replace the y with 7 squared. Then it ends up giving me 304 over 1,764 times 36 times 49. We already know from the previous part, 36 times 49 is 1,764. So now I'll divide both of those out, and z ends up being equal to 304. So in this case, it actually ends up being the same thing as the original given values. And if we go back and we look at the problem, you'll just notice that in the first part of the problem, x was 7 and y was 6, and then that just reversed. So this time, those numbers reversed. So that's why you end up with the same value. So our answer here would be 304.